Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. There are some times that you may need to take parts of your truck apart so you can access the area needed. That's why today I'm going to show you how to take both the front and rear door panels off your 2019 to 2021 Silverado. Hopefully this will help you just in case you need to get behind the panels for whatever reason you see fit. Starting with the front door panel, we are going to remove the cover behind the door handle. Take a small screwdriver or pick and pry up on the corner of the cover to pop it out of place. Once removed, set the cover aside. Now remove the cover at the center portion of the door panel. Grab the top of the panel from the front side and pull it loose from the retaining clips. Locate the 3 screws that will need to be removed. One will be behind the pull lever and 2 behind the panel in the center. Also remove the 2 screws at the bottom side of the door panel. Then using a trim tool, pop the retaining clips holding the edging of the panel to the door. With the panel completely loose, pull up to remove it from the weather stripping. Carefully pull back the panel and remove the cable from the door release and the wiring harness. For the cable, depress the tab and pull back on the cable. Then twist it to remove it from the retaining tab. The electrical harness will require us to push back on the red tab, then pull up on the gray tab to loosen the connector. Then pull the plastic retainer to remove it from the panel. The removal of the rear door will be similar to the front. Remove the cover and panel to expose the screws needed for removal. There will only be 1 screw on the bottom side of the door panel. Then use a trim tool to pop the retaining clips holding the panel to the door. Carefully pull back the panel and remove the cable and wiring harness. Depress the retaining tab and twist the cable to remove it. Disconnect the electrical harness by pushing the tab and pulling back on the harness. It's just that simple, guys. Now with the panels removed, we can access the back side to replace a window motor, take a look at some wiring, swap in a new speaker, or just add some dampening material to quiet down the ride. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about Silverado products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.